Today is 12 May 2022. This is a 14-year-old Shih Tzu male, right?
Yeah, Shih Tzu.
Now the main complaint is this swelling, right? This swelling.
Swelling.
So you hold the leg, I got a video in it. Okay, from where to where?
Here to here.
Turn from this side. Put dorsal side. Can you put down? Leg stand up first. No.
Stand up.
Like that first. So I can see from this angle. So just push a bit, but let it stand up a bit. Let me have the ventral, the posterior view. Okay, yeah, there's a big swelling here. It looks like a tumor. Last time don't have, right?
Last time have. Then you injection 3 injection.
It went down.
It went down flat.
Steroid injection went down. And it's part of the dew claw, I would say. That is a dew claw, yeah. And how long already this been going on?
The swelling, 2 months ago come back.
But before that it was 0, right?
0 already, then come back. The side never wrap, 0 I never wrap.
Number what? Wrap, yeah.
Wrap it. All the while I wrap it, because you walk, you rub on the floor,
Yeah, it looks like a tumor. Now it could be a bone tumor. You want an X-ray?
Do X-ray then.
Huh?
Going to operate already, right?
Yeah, if you don't X-ray, then I will just remove it now.
Just remove it.
Most likely it's a bone tumor from the inside. Yeah. Has it been biting it?
If I don't wrap, it will bite.
Huh? Don't wrap the bite. Okay, how about the other leg? See the other leg?
The leg okay.
The dew claw, no, the dew claw compared to dew claw on this side. This one is okay. This side is okay.
Need to cut the nail.
Yeah, because last time you didn't cut the ingrown toenail.
Last time your who cut one,
Then after that you didn't cut.
Didn't cut.
Okay, look at the front. Turn to the front and see, compare also. Okay, check the dew claw again. Oh, the dew claw. Sometimes they have, some they don't have. Because they don't cut the nail. The other one?
The boomer, then lousy one, the boomer.
Groomer, sometimes do, sometimes don't do. Yeah. This one didn't cut there. Okay.
This one already cut at the time the last boomer, I called them to cut. So then they cut. When I collected, my daughter collected, I make sure I check all the.
Just leaking. Has she been leaking here as well, is it?
Yeah, all leaking.
Check and see. All leaking below. Yeah, that one, because the paws, that has a lot of hairs.
Wet also.
And wet, dampness, come the
Not because it's leak inside the car. I used to wear at home, I don't let him leak, I wear a cone. A cone like that.
Be wearing cone forever, yeah.
Then he will not like leak on the cone like that. Just nice for drinking water.
Both. All the legs are
Oh.
ventral.
Need to cut the hair.
Yeah, next time shave board here. Just only the foot.
Just the foot.
Okay, we check the just check the ears. I got the scope. Just have a look there. Okay, just check and pull up.
You give me those, last time you give me the
inflammation?
medicine, very good. I just put in the
ear ointment.
I just
Are you still using it?
Finished already.
No, no.
No more already.
How long you stop using?
Well, more than a month.
Because this has been another vet for the they call it the stroke of fits. 3 times, right?
3 times.
The vet diagnosed as a vestibular disease. Hold this up. Old dog vestibular disease.
They say old dogs also have one.
Huh?
Old dog always have one.
There's some pain here though. There's some pain. This side. See this side. See. Check and see. Come this side and check. I'll turn over this side. Old dog, not all of them have. Usually it's due to ear infections. But you can't see because it's quite deep in. Anything?
Nothing.
The vertical canal, yeah. Vertical.
Okay.
Yeah, nothing, okay. When's the last time you hold up again? When's the last time you used the ear ointment?
Not 2 months back.
So you stopped using them.
No more already.
You didn't
Squeeze
maintain
no
it.
more.
Yeah, I didn't maintain it. Wait, hold the head first. Let me check. This one I don't think I need pain. This one the canal is not hard yet. There's some pain also. There's some pain inside here there. So it's actually the pain causes them to have this. What happened actually? Stroke.
Then the eyes watch out.
Eyes wash out. It lasted how long?
After that, maybe few seconds, less than 5 minutes, I straight away massage the ear.
Then okay.
After massage, slowly balance back.
Check the teeth. Then after that,
After that,
then you went to the vet.
go back, then go to the vet.
Open further down. Vet. No.
Go to the vet, everything recover.
Recover in the vet 3 times.
Yeah.
Usually it's the ear pain, vestibular disease they call it sometimes. But is it walking straight or has it head
Actually,
slant?
it's starting head slant one side.
Head slant on that level, right?
Then after that, left.
Check the teeth
This side, this side,
on the right hand side.
this side.
Can see that teeth still there.
It's not quite
All the teeth is still there, never drop.
Very bad. Yeah. The other side. Pull up further. Open the mouth bigger. Bigger. Has it got saliva coming out of the mouth?
No, cough.
Okay. Coughing.
2 days ago to cough.
We take temperature.
2 days ago only.
Coughing. Other than that, appetite good.
Wow. Love.
A bit
6 o'clock never gave me, I start barking.
a bit thin. This dog is thin.
Slim down like. Last time don't have one.
Drink a lot of water.
Yeah. Milk.
Drink a lot of water.
Milk.
Is it very thirsty?
Water sometimes
Not thirsty, right?
not really. Sometimes he drink. Normally eat biscuit, he drink water.
Hungry?
Hungry 6:30 every evening.
Is it very hungry?
Very hungry every 6:30.
6:30,
Because afternoon I don't give him eat one.
Urine okay? Can pass normal?
Very normal, but very smelly after that dry.
Pee is smelly.
Smelly lah.
Come stand up first. Stand up first. Yeah. Let me check. So ready, turn upside down. Turn upside down. No? Turn upside down. So see below. No, wait for Sue. Sue, come hurry up.
Hey, wait, it's very good. And the dog very good lah.
No, just Sue upside down. You hold the head, she hold the. Turn upside down. No,
Oh, like the whole.
no, check.
Move. Don't move.
There's a hernia.
That's all the what baby have.
It's a long old. 14 years old, right?
The time baby you say no need to take out.
Yeah, no need, if it's not ain't affected. Just been overall, only the paws are itchy.
Gee.
This dog goes to the grass every day, is it?
No,
Does he go out?
no.
He doesn't go out?
In the house.
The neck.
Room, hall, kitchen.
Does he go to the wet area and sleep?
No. They don't sleep everywhere.
Toilet? No.
No. Even the
Okay.
pet the urine
Very
they don't
clean.
urine one
Very
Make sure you
clean,
change the thing then you urine.
I'll check and see. Which part is itchy other than the paws? No more already.
Only the neck.
Backside?
Backside no.
Neck. Which part of the neck?
Neck, this side.
I thought okay, already recovered.
Okay, recover. Just now still scratching.
Yeah, this normally is due to the ears. It's the left ear. Only the left side, right?
That side.
And you wear the e-collar 24 hours a day?
24 hours.
For how many months already?
Since the last time
This
really
call.
like that.
I'll check the heart and see. Okay, stop now.